Hello friends, and welcome to the world's largest SUV camper conversion project. It's finished. This is the second to last video before the whole grand tour of everything in its finished product. In this video, we are going to highlight the refrigeration system. And I literally built this camper around a certain refrigerator fitting in it. So it is not an exaggeration. I built a camper around a darn refrigerator. There's many reasons to that, and I'm gonna get into those right now. So we opted with the ICECO APL35 12-volt fridge and freezer. This is not our first ICECO unit. We have been very happy with them over the past few years, outfitting our various vehicles with ICECO components. I also really love them because 2 years ago, we highlighted their APL35 larger fridge freezer combo, and they gave me the green light to make an off-color, sexually suggestive comedic video. And I have to say, it's probably some of our best comedic work to date. I'm ready to turn you on. Do you want it from the front or back today?
Really? That's the feature you want to start out with? You are so going to get us canceled.
And ICECO also has a very big heart. While we were in Kansas last summer, we met a family whose home was destroyed by a tornado.
From what I can tell, we're the hardest
Our
house hit.
beautiful home is gone.
It's all gone.
They were in a transitional period of life. I called ICECO, and they were kind enough to send out a 12-volt fridge and freezer to help a family out during a transitional time. So that really means a lot to me. So their product is good, and they have a heart, and they have a sense of humor to work with a guy like me. So let's jump into a little bit more about the ICECO APL35 freezer. Before we head inside, this campsite is just spectacular. It does not get any better than this. That view is so grand. All right, let's head inside and introduce you to, I know it's gonna sound weird, but we name our vehicles, and we tend to also name some of our devices. So the 12-volt refrigerator in the 4Runner is called Elsa, hence that from that movie Frozen. And well, this is Elsa's little sister Anna, or Anna, I don't know, but you get it. Then APL35. And so real quick, this is a beautiful black finish on this fridge. And I like these latches just from the get-go. Like, I literally had a space to work with and a fridge that I ultimately wanted and was able to make it fit in here. So here we go. The lid opens this direction. Those are factors that you want to think about. Which way does the lid open for your build? And ICECO does offer units with lids that open this way, this way, this way, or this way. So there are a lot of great options on their website. This one was really nice. We like all the features, but there was something nice about being able to do a separate freezer. The big APL55, it's humongous compared to this, but it has a divider wall, which is great and it serves its purpose, but we thought it'd be nice to have a separate freezer on this one. And it's pretty great. I'm out here for a shakedown run, and I'm making ice. These little silicone ice cube trays are awesome. And you know, if ICECO ever wanted to make some of those and put a little imprint or a logo on those and send them as a cute, cheeky little gift with some of their freezers, these ice cube trays that are silicone, awesome. Yeah, and it's lighted. How nice is that? I will say that I'd like to get some storage solutions for in here. So, you know, all your cheese and stuff doesn't just fall into a pile. One thing also great about these ICECO units is that they have a ICECO compressor.
And in case you're not a refrigeration engineer, ICECO has 45 years of experience in DC refrigeration compressors, and they come with a 5-year warranty. So you know you're getting the quality and reliability needed for any adventure.
And this fridge unit just clicked on, and it is so quiet. And I now really appreciate the value of the ICECO compressor, because the 12-volt refrigerator that's in our travel trailer, man, that thing is, I'll just say it, that is a shit refrigerator compressor. That thing is annoying. I don't know if it's sound deadening or what, but our ICECO units are far superior compared to what came in a 2024 ePro travel trailer. What else do you need to know? Power consumption. My goodness, these 12-volt refrigerators are so efficient. Yes, there is solar on the roof helping to keep up, but essentially, this thing draws about 2.7 amps. That's really not a whole heck of a lot. So you can run this for a very long period of time. And I did have on the journey up here, I'm going to take a guess that overnight I would lose, when the sun goes down, about 10% of the battery, 200 amp hour battery bank, keeping this going. And I'm making ice in here. This is not just like 24 degrees. This is definitely a solid freezable temperature at 10 right now, and it can even go as low as 0. So you could have both sides doing whatever you want. Yes, this is a clip from a completely different day and a completely different location, but I realized a couple key things that I forgot to mention up on that mountain, but I forgot to demonstrate. Here's how the kitchen works. You got this, that's the bed, all folded up, and then this goes like so, and there's the kitchen. But there's a lot in this little excursion habitat, and the margins were very small, and the footprint of the APL35 was perfect, because you can see it lines up just right here. And yes, the mattress does fold over, but it's negligible, and it gives added length for sleeping. But another really awesome feature here, let me get my phone turned on. Okay, right here. This is the app from ICECO. Now, this is going to be kind of funny, but I have never touched the display panel on the front of this ICECO to turn it on. And I never will, because the space limitations pretty much made me put it right down in there. But as soon as you hook up power, you can use the app, and I have it at 33 degrees and 10 degrees. The compressor just clicked off. So yeah, this is just one of those amazing components that's very important to your build and helps you stay out longer, which ultimately is what I think it's all about. So that is a wrap for this video dedicated to ICECO and their APL35 freezer. Tonight's dinner, thanks to their freezer, keeping it fresh. And gosh, I even got a whole thing of Costco rotisserie chicken meat, airborne, and like, yeah, it seriously makes it so you can stay out longer. ICECO, thank you very much for helping us with this build. You guys are awesome. You have big hearts, and you do a lot with the community of creators, and your products are good. So we're happy to do it. So thanks for being here. The next video is going to be a full-blown functioning tour of this camper and all the modes that it can take. So thanks again. We'll see you in the grand tour.